So quick update on GME, nothing that's too crazy. I don't want to go crazy in depth on this situation because I only have a little bit of time. But I wanted to just give what my plan will be with GameStop. I don't currently hold many shares. I only hold 2 shares at $240. For Weeble, I was looking to buy in with a lower cost basis, somewhere around that $100 level. As I seen AMC decrease so much, I was expecting GME to decrease as well. They didn't really do that bad of a decrease. Now, they did have 10% down. That's huge. But it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Like for AMC to go 10% down, or for them to go to 8% down, I believe it was 8. Yeah, 8% down. It was something that I thought GME was actually going to have a higher drop. And they did end up increasing quite a bit. And they did drop quite a bit down to 135. Now I expected them to go down to that $100 level, like somewhere around there, maybe the 120, and that's where I expected them to sit. They didn't end up getting to that level. I was looking to buy in at 120 for at least 10 or 20 shares, but it didn't end up getting to that point. So I'm looking for that to do that tomorrow. And who knows if that will do that tomorrow. We've seen a lot of movement today in short spurts. We've seen this large increase from 130, 140 over here to 152. So we've seen that large increase to where it did decrease over the later end of the day, and now currently in the after hours market is decreasing as well. So my overall thought for GameStop is that I still believe in their position. Obviously, a lot of people hold the position. It has a lot of buying power. They're a strong company. They definitely can make a case for being up in that $100 price range for a stock if they start to take over the gaming e-commerce space. If they start to do a lot more with the business, having all of these changes with the organization, it's definitely huge, right? Now, the one thing that I didn't check that I really wanted to check was GME for Fintel. Let's see if we have something good here. So we're not really seeing too many crazy numbers. The short borrow fee rate is still low, below 1%. We're going to see 200,000 shares, 1.8 million short volume versus the 9.4 million market volume. That's on Friday. We don't know exactly what it's going to be today. I can't wait to see those numbers once we log in tomorrow. But 19% short volume ratio, you can really see the picture there. Anything's going to have short volume, but 20% is definitely, starts to really creep up to the side to where you don't want to have that short volume for at least the hedge funds or whoever's shorting it. So I can tell you that GME, AMC, all of them are getting negative press, right? And it's continued to go down. But once we see this actually make its move up, this is why I'm so interested in it, because all of these positions, once you see that positive day, it's going to be a really good positive day. I mean, you're going to miss out on a huge opportunity to where all of this negativity, all of it goes away in one shot. And you're going to see, GME push from $100 up to $200, $250 and miss out on a $150 gain in literally just the span of 1 or 2 days. You're going to do the same thing with AMC and miss out on that to go to $12, $13 in one shot. And the same thing with cost, same thing with SOS. So that's the way that I'm feeling with GME. And that's why I wanted to get into the position, at the price of like $115, $120, or $100. Even if it does go below $100, I wanted to get in at that position because I know that it can continue to rise as long as we see more of a bullish market rather than this bearish market that we are seeing with a number of positions. I'm not the only one that's holding a number of positions that actually has quite a bit of a loss in each position that they're holding because of the fact that the market has been not kind to us in the last 2.5 weeks or so, maybe 3 weeks or so. And seeing that, I know that there's a lot of positivity in GameStop, and there's a lot of people that are bringing all of the positive reviews to this, but then you also have those negative news sources that are talking about how GME can go to zero, AMC can go to zero, when it's completely ridiculous. They're valuable companies, especially GME. It's very valuable, where it stands and the amount of pull that the company holds itself. So let me know your opinion. I don't want to push this video on for too long. I know that they have a lot to them. But let me know your opinion on GameStop if you believe that it's going to be something that pushes up to 270 soon. Somebody asked me in the live stream, can it push above 240 this week? Yes, it can push above 240 this week as long as we start to see that positive market, as long as we start to see that real push with a lot of the buying power. People are kind of afraid to buy because they want to wait for that low time. You see it as it gets towards the end of the day. They're like, okay, you know what? It's getting really low. It's down here at 140. We're seeing it increase a little bit. Let's all buy. Everybody bought into this position, pushed it up to 150, gained a little bit of money out of it, and then some people ended up selling off. As the people that got in at 135 probably made a little bit of money. They were really happy with it. So that's my opinion of it. Let me know your opinion. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the other links in the description. If you want to join my Discord group, please click that link and join the Discord group. There's 3 levels. Also, if you want to subscribe to the MP Shorts channel, that is a short form content where I create 60-second videos or less on stock updates and personal finance and credit cards and all that. Definitely check that out. And I have a Perry Experience channel to where I am uploading daily on there, whether it's reaction videos, podcasts, whatever it actually is. I'm looking to update on there and stay consistent there as well. So let me know your opinion on this. Make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.